Hi, friends. How are you today? Hey, in the sunlight, and just did a short reel on the Insta, and we'll go to YouTube in a little bit. But I thought one more little impromptu because one of the things that I was guided in 1992 from the experience I had with the source realignment had to do with the preciousness of the time that I have. And openly, the sands through the hourglass have definitely sifted through. And I kind of want to look at something about the comets and everything coming in. If you sum together every aspect from astrology, cosmology, timeline, history, it's really easy to go fast to Moldak and to the Kabbalion, 3 chapters on the destroyer. And you might see that there's a resonant value to that timeline because possibly many of us have actually traversed that timeline before. And what I like to say about this one is that in 1992, when I saw this bearded star coming in and then suddenly activate the energy of the planet to portal release that which had chosen to be into a new creation of a universe. And maybe some of you are resonating with that. I wanted to get to that because right now we're in the precious timeline. How we have looked at each other and how we've treated each other based on systematic control or dominant mental thought technologies, and also how the co-sympathetic system works between humans and what can be transferred. So what we do is we want to pull that back a little bit into ourselves, okay? And we want to remember that from this point on, every little time, bit of time that I have, is precious. And so to operate with the precious has to do with the kind of soul that's moving with it, touching it, nudging it, whatever, barely touching, and so to say that the soul is come to grips with its life and death here now. And so to process that going into what was once a destructive event is now actually the final equation to the proper order of truly ascension. And ascension can mean a lot of things. GP3 saw that there was a bearded star, it comes through and it activates the planet to a major portal release. Now, whether you are here in the body or whether you are in the spirit, you are experiencing a similar aspect, okay? And each one of them are valid and they both happen. So the question really is, are we preparing ourselves for this advancement and what the energies are trying to communicate to us in the now, constantly unto and through to the end? Whether we're aware to be resonant with the energies that are shifting. So what I'd like to do is just encourage us to continue to grow in the resonance of that which we understand that is shifting in the positive. The thing that is actually going to move you into the new creation of a universe, not another world. Really, you don't even know that you're in the last world of the final testing of a soul. So you might as well look at it as an opportunity for graduation. Okay, you're with GP3 on Soul Searching.